loud steam engine. He's the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. He loves speeding along his line with the wind blowing across his funnel.
Whoa! You've beaten your record again!
Indeed, Anthony. I am the fastest.
Unfortunately for Gordon, not all the engines were impressed.
You know, Gordon, speed isn't everything.
James is right, Gordon. Being responsible, reliable, and really useful is better than just being fast.
You slow and little engines will never understand, because you'll never go as fast as me.
Suddenly, the fat controller arrived with news of a special for Thomas.
I want you to collect the jet engine and take it to the airfield.
What's a jet engine?
The jet engine goes forward by pushing hot air out of its back.
Just imagine when they drop our lunar, let it go, Percy. It's really fast.
Thomas likes making special deliveries for the fat controller. It makes him feel special. But secretly, he wished he could go as fast as Gordon, just once, and without being behind Gordon's express. Thomas arrived at the docks excited to see the jet engine. It was shiny and modern, and Thomas had never seen anything like it. He just couldn't wait to start his journey, but Cranky was taking his time.
Hurry up, Cranky. This is a special.
Useless little egotistical bug with puny specials. I'll speed up for you, alright. Just you watch.
Then there was trouble. Cranky became so cranky that he was careless with his hook. His hook knocked the switch, and the switch started the jet engine, and the engine began to whine. The whine got louder, and louder, and louder.
Oh dear God. Why have I died?
But before he could say anything else, the jet engine was bumping Thomas down the track.
Whoa!
The driver tried to pull on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop.
Woo-hoo!
The signalman pulled ahead.
Clear the line! It's a runaway train!
The signals were changed and the points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James.
What, the actual truck?
And rocketed past Henry.
What was that?
And raced by Percy.
Was that Thomas?
Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the track.
Hey, Thomas, do you want to... never mind.
No one had ever seen a tank engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line.
I am the fastest and best.
Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon.
What's on Sodor? Did Thomas actually beaten me in speed?
So for overtaking you, Gordon, my dear chap.
Overtake me? I didn't notice.
You mean you didn't notice the fastest tank engine on the island of Sodor?
Yes, I definitely am the fastest tank engine on the island of Sodor.
Guys, Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine because he's a steam engine.
But he's still full of hot air.